National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Kaufman County in north central Texas, Ellis County in north central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north central Texas, north central Navarro County in north central Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Waxahachie, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waxahachie, Ennis, Midlothian, Seagoville, Red Oak, Wilmer, Crandall, Ferris, Palmer, Combine, Oak Leaf, Maypearl, Bardwell, Alma, Bardwell Lake, Bryce, Garrett, Bristol, Pecan Hill and Emhouse. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 389 and 409. Interstate 45 between mile markers 236 and 269. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.